Great Barrier Reef, Heaven in Australia, Part 5. Palazzo Versace.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart.
Palazzo Versace offers an exclusive waterfront setting, spectacular architecture, opulent accommodations, and a design distinguished by Versace's bespoke furnishings and Italian craftsmanship.
All my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
It features award-winning restaurants, a fitness and well-being center, a private marina, meeting and event facilities, and the first water salon cabana experience in Australia.
But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition.
The luxurious, 5-star Palazzo Versace also boasts 2 chic bars, including Le Jardin, where you can try the latest cocktail, enjoy a high tea or relax with a coffee in the beautiful lobby.
Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh.
All rooms and suites are decorated with Versace furnishings, luxurious fabrics, and floor-to-ceiling windows.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay.
They also include private balconies, a cable TV, a DVD player, and bathrooms with spa baths.
Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
Palazzo Versace offers the ideal vacation and supreme escapism because of its gorgeous subtropical environment, sophisticated way of life, and Renaissance palace's splendor.
But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, how do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so cool.
I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.